Good morning, class. We're going to talk about the page 11 and how to order a meal in a restaurant, okay? So everyone likes eating out at restaurants. Ordering food in English at a restaurant is easy, so we have to follow these simple tips. Get the right table. Book a table on the phone or ask for a table by saying, "We would like a table for 5, please." This will let the waiter know how many people to expect. The waiter might ask, "How many people are in your party?" In this question, party means group, not celebration. You're in a country where people are allowed to smoke in restaurants. The waiter might ask if you would like to sit in the smoking or non-smoking section. If you are in a hot country, the waiter may ask if you prefer to sit indoors or outdoors. Make it clear exactly where you want to sit for a perfect meal. Order drinks. Having a drink is a great way to pass the time while you are deciding what to order. The waiter might ask, "Would you like to start with a drink?" And you can reply, "Yes, we would like the type of the drink while we decide on our food." Order food. When the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" or "Can I take your order?" If you are ready, you can give your order. Use "I would like" or "I will have" to introduce your order and expression for a starter or appetizer to talk about the first course, and for main course to talk about the second course of food you will eat. If you're not sure what to order, ask a waiter, "What would you recommend?" to get some advice or what are the specialties, to find out what the most famous dishes are at the restaurant. You could also ask, "What are today's specials?" to find out if there are any dishes being served today that are not usually on the menu. If you cannot eat certain things because of your health, check the menu carefully. Vegetarian and vegan dishes are usually marked, but if not, you can point at the dish on the menu and ask the waiter, "Does this contain meat, nuts, dairy?" to find out it's okay for you to eat. Or when the waiter gives you the menu, you can say, "I can't eat." Which dishes would you recommend for me? Now, for paying the bill. Catch the waiter's attention and ask, "Can we have the bill, please?" or "Check, please," to see how much you need to pay. The waiter might ask if you want to pay separately or as a group. Check the bill to see if a service charge or tip has been added. This is money that is given to the waiting staff for good service. If this hasn't been added, it's common in most English-speaking countries to leave some extra money, usually 10 or 15% of the bill for the waiter. This is some general English vocabulary for dining out in restaurants. We have booking, a party, menu, set menu, drinks menu, today's specials, cutlery. Napkin, a starter, main course, side dish, dessert, vegetarian option, vegan option, halal, kosher, and tip. These are some useful expressions and phrases arriving at the restaurant. If you have booked a table, "Hello, we have booked a table for," you have to say how many people will be eating with you. If you haven't booked a table, "Hello, do you have a table free?" Do you have a table for? Say how many people are eating with you, free. "Hello, we haven't booked a table, can you fit us in?" Now for ordering food. "Could we see the menu, please?" "Could we see the drinks menu, please?" For the diary needs. Is this dish suitable for vegetarians? Is this dish suitable for vegans? Is this dish halal or is this dish kosher? Does this dish contain nuts? Choosing what to eat. We are not ready to order yet. Could you give us a few more minutes, please? We are ready to order now. We would like to order now, please. Placing your order. Can I have? Say what you would like to eat. I would like. Say what you would like to eat. I would like a glass of water, please. Could we have a jug of water, please? Asking for more drinks. Sing again, please. Could I have another glass of, please? Could you bring me another, please? Dealing with problems. If you're giving the wrong food, "Excuse me, I didn't order this." "I'm sorry, I think this may be something else meal." If the cutlery isn't clean, Could I have another spoon or other piece of cutlery, please? If your food isn't hot enough, could you heat this up a bit more for me, please? When you have finished your meal, that was delicious, thank you. That was lovely, thank you. Everything was great. Now, paying for your meal. Could we have the bill, please? Can I pay by credit card? Keep the change. If you pay by cash and want to leave a tip. If you think your bill is wrong, could you check the bill for me, please? It doesn't seem right. I think you may have made a mistake with the bill. Now, we are going to do this. We are going to write a conversation between two customers and a waiter in Pizza Paradise, okay? We can use the phrases in the boxes. We have in the boxes for the waiter, are you ready to order? What would you like to do or what would you like to eat or drink? It's a pizza with how much, how many do you want? Customers, what could I have a or some? I would like a or some. I don't want any. Do you have any? Finally, we are going to do the grammar workout. I would like some garlic bread. Could I borrow some money? I don't want any olive meat. Do you have any pizzas with mushrooms? We use some and any with both plural and uncountable nouns. We use some in affirmative sentences and in requests and questions when we want to expect the answer yes, and we use any in negative sentence and neutral questions. How much money do you have? How many colas? We use how much with uncountable nouns. We use how many with plural countable nouns. Countable nouns, example, a tomato, tomatoes, an olive, olives. Money, some, water.